Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Russia's economic structure. Russia's economy is heavily reliant on its abundant natural resources, particularly oil and natural gas. These energy exports generate a substantial portion of the nation's income. The government maintains considerable influence over major industries, shaping economic policy and development. This centralized approach impacts various sectors, from energy to finance. Beyond energy, Russia's economy encompasses several other vital sectors. Mining and metallurgy contribute significantly, leveraging the country's rich mineral deposits. Agriculture is also important, with Russia being a major grain producer. Manufacturing focuses on areas like defense equipment, heavy machinery, and chemical products, diversifying the industrial base. The Russian government plays a central role in its economy. It maintains significant ownership and control over strategic sectors, including major energy companies and banks. Economic policies are often designed to ensure stability, manage inflation, and foster growth, sometimes through direct intervention. This strong state presence influences investment and market dynamics. Russia's economy faces several ongoing challenges. A primary goal is to reduce its reliance on natural resource exports and diversify into other sectors. Geopolitical events and international sanctions can also create economic pressures. The government is working to modernize infrastructure and encourage innovation to build a more resilient and varied economic future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.